This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on your PC. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Tencent Gaming Buddy, now known as GameLoop, is the official and most optimized emulator for PUBG Mobile. However, you can also consider other popular choices like BlueStacks or Nox Player for a similar experience. Once you've chosen your emulator, the next step is installation. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator, such as GameLoop. Find and download the installer file, which is usually a small executable. Run this file and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This process typically takes only a few minutes. With the emulator installed, launch it from your desktop. Inside the emulator, you'll find an integrated app store, much like Google Play. Search for PUBG Mobile and proceed with the installation. This download might be several gigabytes, so a stable internet connection is important. After installation, you can log in with your current account or start fresh. To enhance your gameplay, optimize the settings. Within PUBG Mobile, adjust graphics to suit your PC's capabilities, aiming for smooth frame rates. Crucially, customize your keybinds for keyboard and mouse to match your preferred playstyle. Many emulators offer preset configurations, but personalizing them can significantly improve your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.